Another session. Today we are working on a different problem from LeetCode. It is intersection of two arrays. So the problem says, given two integer arrays num1 and num2, return any array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique, and you may return the result in any order. So first of all, you know what is intersection. It is the intersection of two arrays is defined as the set of elements that are present in both arrays. For example, num1 and num2, you can see number 2 here and number 2 here. That means the output should be number 2. Those elements which are present in both sets or in both arrays. So another important thing is that the result must be unique. For example, here you have number 2 and number 1 two times, and here you have number 2 two times. That doesn't mean that you should get all the numbers that are present in both arrays. You remove the duplicate ones, and the order is not important. So okay, so there might be different solutions for this, but the solution that I chose here is first I converted one of those arrays in a set just to remove the duplicates, and then I loop or iterate through the second arrays and check every element against this array that I had converted to set. So that means when I'm iterating through this array and checking against this, if there are any common elements, it can find that. And then I need to have another array to put the duplicate values there. But there, if I use that technique, I include the duplicate values as well. For example, if I convert this to a set, here I get number 1 and number 2. And then when I loop through this one, so number 2 and number 2. So both of them would be added to the array. Instead, in order to avoid this, instead of using an array, I use a set and add all the common elements into that set just to avoid adding duplicate values, and at the end I convert that set to an array and return that as an array. Okay, so now let's write the code here. Const set equals new set. You can choose any of the sets, doesn't matter. Here let me choose number 1, set number 1. I convert this to a set, and now I loop through the second array. So for let num of nums. So now let's check if this num, for example here number 2, does it exist in array number 1, which we converted to a set here. So we say that if set dot has num, so let me create another set here, const intersection of two arrays equals new set, and it's empty now. And now when I'm looping through this array, anytime that I found a duplicate, that means that is in both arrays, here in num1, which I converted to set, and now I'm iterating number 2. So if that exists in this set also, that means that is in both arrays. So now I add this to this intersection of the two arrays. IOTA dot add num. So at the end, just convert this set to an array and return that. So we can say return. So now if you want to convert this set to an array, you can use the array itself, array dot from IOTA. Okay, now let's run and see what happens. Okay, so let num of nums. Nums is not defined. Oh yes, here we have nums2, not nums1, nums2. Yes. Okay, now you see that both test cases passed successfully. I hope it was clear enough. Still, if you have any questions about anything, just add them in the comment and I will go through your questions and answer all the questions. Until the next problem that I will solve for you, have a nice time.